Hello guys, today we work with the page number 124, and we have this letter F, and we have some pictures that begins with this letter. So let's find letter F. Let's trace it. That's what are we going to do first. Trace the letter F. Remember, you can do it better than me because like you are really smart. There is the letter F. Okay, now listen up. 4. Yes, that one, it has the sound and it has the letter on its name. 4. Let's find another one. Okay, this one. 4. Fish. Yes, fish. This one. Fork. Listen up. This one sounds just like this one. 4. Fork. Be careful, okay? Finger. This one too. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 4. Fish. Fork. Finger. Okay? The rest of them, look. Book. Nope. Apple. Nope. Chicken. Nope. Tree. No. ¿Verdad que no? Well, this is the letter F, and we have these words. You have to color it. Let's color number 4. Así me las van a colorear. And then we are going to match the picture with the letter F. Okay, that's it. You can color the pictures any color, the color you want is up to you. So that's what we did today. Page number 124. Los que no asistieron a clase, remember, you can do it later on. Aquí está el video para que lo vean lo que hicimos el día de hoy. See you later, guys. Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Wednesday. Bye.